How often do you think about heaven? Hey, Christ Covenant Church, it's Pastor Jason, and I am looking forward to worshiping with you on Sunday. This Sunday, we will be in Philippians chapter 3, and we'll finish the chapter by looking at verses 17 through 21, and then also the first verse in chapter 4. But I ask, how often do you think about heaven? Because in this passage, we're going to see that the way we live and the way that we believe and what we believe about God is connected to what we think about heaven. And here we are told to live as citizens of heaven and think about what it means that we have the hope of heaven. We're going to see that there are some people that made a wreck of their lives because they didn't think about what it meant to be God's children and citizens of heaven. So I want to invite you to read these few verses, compare and contrast these people who do not think about heaven, who are not truly citizens of heaven, with those who are true citizens of heaven, and think about how we walk worthy of the gospel of Christ when we have our hope set on our citizenship in heaven. I'll look forward to worshiping with you on Sunday.